important. Why? Because they are oriented to making money, and everybody here wants to earn money. So this tells us that making money is more important than having the non-economic activities. Most of the people, why do they do all these efforts? Why are you studying? So that you get a better job? Why do people who do those complicated, difficult training sessions, why do they undergo all these trainings? Because they want to skill themselves, equip themselves so that they can earn money. So particularly in commerce, we talk about only those activities which are related to making money. This brings us the first topic for today, the concept of business, profession and employment. Children, can you see the board properly? I hope it is not in the mirror image. Can you see the board properly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you see it? Okay. Now today's topic is, we will find out the three concepts, that is business, employment and profession, and then we will do a comparative study of how they are related or not related or inferior superior to each other. So first one, concept of business. As you can see on the board, Hiba, can you just read out what is written on the board? The concept of business.
The state of being busy under any economic activity is business with reference to commerce.
Simply, any business activity which is done to ascertain some profit or to ascertain some income is business. Second one, the concept of profession. You know, no, he is professionally very well versed. I am a professional teacher. Somebody is a professional lawyer. So what is profession? Shariman, can you just read this out for us?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
An activity which requires specialized skills and training.
Fine. Somebody who is called a professional is not just anybody. He is the one who has specialized skills. Okay. Now you tell me, if the teachers in your school are teaching you, which professional degree do they have? The teachers are B.Ed, or some of them may be PhD or doctorate or something. You tell me, which is the professional degree for a doctor?
MBBS.
MBBS is the professional degree for a doctor. It means, what is profession? When you acquire money, especially by being skilled. By being skilled in what you do. And how are you skilled? You acquire specialized training. So the difference between business and profession is that in business you sell things, but in profession you sell out services. Like yesterday I had told you, under the tertiary sector of economy, what do the teachers do to earn money? They sell out their skill, right? What will a lawyer do? What will a lawyer sell out? A lawyer will give away his services. He will give away what? The legal advice. So who is he? He is also a professional. He has acquired a specialized skill and training by undergoing a certain procedure, and through that skill he is earning money. How is a businessman earning money? How is Mr. Mukesh Ambani earning money?
By selling merchandise.
He is earning money by selling the merchandise. It is a technical term. Merchandise means वो सामान या वो चीज़ें जिसको हम बेचते हैं और फिर पैसा अर्न करते हैं. That is called a merchandise. वो सामान जो हमने अपनी शॉप में सेल आउट करने के लिए रख रखा है. That is merchandise. So the concept of business says, when a person sells out things or goods in order to earn some money, this activity is called as business. This is an economic activity. Second category of an economic activity is that of a profession. What is the basic difference between business and profession? In business we sell what? Things. And in profession we sell out what?
Services.
Skills or services. Okay. So one example of business and one example of profession. Who is going to give? Akarshit? Any one example of business?
profession, it's a doctor. And
Repeat.
for business, we can say Ambani.
Okay, fine. Mr. Mukesh Ambani is selling out the goods through his company, Reliance India Limited. And profession, who is a professional, और उन्हीं की कंपनी में जो अकाउंटेंट काम कर रहा है वो प्रोफेशनल है, राइट? Mr. Mukesh Ambani is a businessman, whereas the one who's sitting in Reliance India and who's doing a manager's job is doing what? He is doing a profession. Are you able to get the difference between the two, business and profession? Right? So in profession we are not selling out anything. We are selling out our services. Business, how do you earn money? Business basically or your profit is basically the reward for the risk you bear. In business we can have profits also and we can have losses also. No, can anybody say I will do a business and I will earn only profits? Is it possible? No.
No, ma'am.
No. You see, so many big business houses during these lockdown periods, they suffered so much of loss. Right? So any business is carried on with risk. Risk bearing capacity किसी भी businessman के पास होनी चाहिए. और इस risk bearing के बदले में उसे जो मिलता है, that is called the profit of business. Have you understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Now profession. अपनी सर्विसेज रेंडर करने के बदले में जो किसी भी प्रोफेशनल को मिलता है, दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? इट विल बी हिज फीस. Professional will charge what? He will not make profits and losses. He will say, I received more fees or I received less fees. Right? Clear? What will a lawyer get? What will a lawyer get? Will a lawyer incur profit and loss? I made a lot of profit. No. He will say, I earned a lot of fees. What do you pay to a teacher? Fees. What do you pay to school? Fees for the services you take from the school. So that is a profession. Paying fees to a lawyer, paying fees to a doctor, paying fees to a teacher, paying fees to a chartered accountant. All these are the professions. And business में how do you earn money? You earn money by selling out things at higher price. जितने का हमने create किया था उससे ज़्यादा मैं sell out कर दिया. So I am making profit in business. Any confusion with business and profession?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Now coming to the third concept. It's quite far away, just a minute. Can you see it now?
No, ma'am.
No, still can't.
Ma'am, a little to the left.
It is?
Ma'am, a little to
Acha,
the
a
left.
little left more. Okay. Can you see it now, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now the third concept that comes under this category is the concept of employment. The concept of employment. Now there are some people who are not businessmen. There are some people who are not professional. Still they earn money. How? They hire workers, they make them do work and then they earn money. Right? For example, I own a small shop. I don't sit in that shop and I have employed 4 salesmen. What they do for me? They sell out things on my behalf and make me earn profit. In return, what I have to pay to those salesmen?
Ma'am,
I have to pay them what at the end? I have to pay them salary. So, what is employment? Who will help me reading this out?
Making someone work for you and you pay wages or salaries to them.
Clear? Easy enough? So, business, profession and employment. In the third category, employment, what you do? You employ somebody. हम किसी को काम पर रखते हैं किस लिए? ताकि वो हमें पैसा earn करके दे. And what do he gets in return? He will get a salary for the services he render. Is these 3 clear to you? A business, a profession and an employment?
Yes, ma'am.
Are all these 3 concepts clear to you? In business, what we do? We do selling and purchasing and we earn profits. What do we do in profession? We give out services and we earn what?
Fees.
Ma'am, fees.
फीस ही हमारी इनकम है. इसी काम के लिए हम ये प्रोफेशनल डिग्री हमने हासिल करी थी, इसको करने के लिए खर्चा किया था. The third one, employment. Under employment, what happens? There is an employer and there is an employee. Who is an employer?
Ma'am, someone who appoints
Someone who appoints you for इधर आओ मेरे लिए ये वाला job करके दो. He is an employer, and whoever does that job is an employee. Right? So this is called employment. The process of hiring somebody to take services from him and to pay what? To pay wages or salaries to him. Wages जो day to day payments होते हैं, those small term के बाद payments होते हैं, those are called as wages. और सैलरीज जो होती है वो आफ्टर अ फिक्स पीरियड दी जाती है. यूजुअली व्हेन इज द सैलरी पेड? एट द एंड ऑफ अ मंथ. राइट? डिफरेंस बिटवीन सैलरीज एंड वेजेस. Wages are given on day-to-day basis, whereas salary is paid after a fixed time period. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now let's move ahead. Let me get back to my place. All right, children. Now the next topic that we have is the business functions. I am going strictly through the book Sandeep Garg. So please, here is a humble reminder that all those who are still in the mood of not buying the books, better buy your books, because we'll be doing the case study and the question answers only through this book, and other material I will provide you separately. So please buy the books as early as possible. I give you this week's time. From the next week onwards, I want most of you to kindly arrange these books. If you want to take the PDFs from your friends, get it photostated, your choice. If you want to go outside, buy the book, you please buy them. Now the shops are open and you can do that. Any query on this, children, regarding the books?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now the business functions. Business functions at the enterprise level. Enterprise क्या होती है? कोई भी business concern is an enterprise. What all are the functions? First function is financing. Financing means you want to do a business. Many times it will require a lot of money. And it is not possible that everybody will be having lakhs or crores of rupees to invest. So what we do? We get ourselves financed. Who finances the business?
The bank.
The
The
bank. The bank gives you loan, the money to be used for your business. Next, production. The next activity or another activity that is involved with business enterprises, production. A business needs to be productive. If somebody is sitting from morning till night in a shop, he has spent a lot of money on the infrastructure, ACs, counters and everything, and he is not doing anything in the shop. Will you call this a business? Will you call this a good business?
No, ma'am.
No.
ma'am.
तो uselessly बैठे हो तुम, तो कुछ कर ही नहीं रहे हो. You are not doing a business. That means there has to be productivity in the business. Productivity या earning. The next thing is marketing. Now marketing is very important. Do you agree to this, especially in these days? What am I doing? Has to reach out to people. Now if somebody opens a small shop in the colony, have you ever seen those pamphlets which they slip under your doors? Please visit our shop, we have opened the new shop.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
So marketing is again very important. Every day, do you see advertisements on TV?
Yes, ma'am.
Especially
Yes,
when there was this CAA NRC news or Corona news or news related to political things. You see, many advertisements are shown on news channels. Nowadays, news channels are the richest. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody is watching news and news only. कितने कोरोना केसेस हैं, गवर्नमेंट में क्या हुआ, बंगाल में क्या हुआ, राइट? So marketing of any business is again very important, so that you can reach out to people and tell basically what you have done and how can they derive benefit from you. And the last topic is human resource management. Suppose an employee comes in the morning at 8 o'clock. Another person comes at 9:30 and the third one does not comes at all, and at the end of the month the businessman is paying equal salary to everybody. Do you feel this is justified?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Why?
No, ma'am.
आए तो हैं, हम भी तो एम्प्लॉय हैं. I am also an employee. Do you think this is justified? No, this is not justified, because human resource management is not happening, right? Human resource is a very, very important branch of business management these days. All those who do MBA know. You see, I have done MBA from HR. Many people say this, no, HR. What is this HR? ह्यूमन रिसोर्स, ह्यूमन रिसोर्सिंग, ह्यूमन बींग्स जो किसी भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में काम करते हैं, हम उनको कैसे मैनेज कर रहे हैं. सबके लिए रूल्स एक जैसे होने चाहिए. अगर उन्हें कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो उसका सॉल्यूशन निकलना चाहिए. यू सी मेनी टाइम्स दे सिट ऑन धरना एंड दे वांट वी वांट आवर विशेस टू बी फुलफिल्ड. व्हाट इज़ दिस? यानी कि उनका ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट ठीक से नहीं हो रहा था, तभी उन्हें अपनी बात बताने के लिए धरने पे बैठना पड़ रहा. सो ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट इज़ अगेन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Before we move ahead, I want you to note down a few things. Quickly note down what all you see on the board. The concept of business, the concept of profession, and the concept of employment. I give you 1 minute, children. Quickly copy this down. Can you see this properly on the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now all those who are joining the classes 20 minutes later, I will not permit you from the next round, let me tell you. All of you have watches, please be on time. Copy this down: concept of business, concept of profession, and concept of employment. Quickly. I repeat, I'll be asking you for the notebooks. Yes, children, written? Come on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you've done these two, I will dictate the third one, the concept of employment. The third heading is concept of employment. Should I start telling you?
Ma'am, just a second.
Okay, please note it down. Fine. Okay, so let me tell this to you. The concept of employment. If you miss out something, I'll be sharing the notes also. The third one, concept of employment. Please note, making someone work for you and you pay, P-A-Y, and you pay wages or salaries to them, and you pay wages and salaries to them. Please check out the message section. I have shared the spelling as well. Okay, so to pay wages and salaries to them. Clear, children? Now add on one more point. Business functions. Business functions. Should I say?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Point number 1. We have discussed it already. This is just for your information. First one is financing. Financing. Second one is production. Remember, financing from the banks and other financial institutions. Second one is production. What can be another source of financing? You already know that a bank finances. Who else can finance you?
Money lenders.
Money lenders also finance. Yes, indigenous bankers. Remember, साहूकार महाजन लाला लोग होते थे पुराने टाइम में इंडिया में. और कौन होता है? Financing against gold. Name a finance corporation which finances against gold. Have you ever heard the name of? Yes.
Muthoot Finance.
Muthoot Finance. You give them gold, they will give you money. In case you don't return their money, they will not return your gold. Right? So financing, then productivity, Third point is marketing. This is what they do. Marketing means advertisement of what they are doing. And the fourth point, the most important one, who will tell me?
Ma'am, human management.
Manasvi?
Ma'am,
Human resource management.
Yes, human resource management. Prisha, what do we do in this human resource management?
ma'am, we justify the work of every labor.
अच्छा ठीक है, वेरी गुड, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. हम ह्यूमन रिसोर्स में ये चेक करते हैं कि सबको अपने काम के हिसाब से मनी मिलता हो. ऑलराइट. और व्हाट एल्स डू वी डू? जिसकी रिक्वायरमेंट है उसको हायर करने की ज़रूरत है, और जिसकी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है वी हैव टू फायर देम ऑफ द जॉब. फाइन. प्लीज राइट डाउन वन मोर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ बिजनेस. The next topic that we will deal is characteristics of business. We will write down the points and then we will quickly discuss them. Should I start telling you? There are 6-7 headings. Should I start telling you, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Point number 1. Business is an economic activity. By now you have understood that business is an economic activity. Nobody does business for charity, and nobody does charity and donation and calls it business, right? First one, it is an economic activity. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Second point. Production and procurement of goods. Production and check out the spelling in the message section, children. Production and procurement of goods. I hope everybody knows how to go to the message section. You all are well versed in technology
Yes,
now.
ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
So production and procurement of goods. To procure means जब तक हम वो सामान बेच नहीं देते हैं तब तक उसको अपने पास सुरक्षित रखना है. If for example if somebody is selling out a salt, उसकी टाटा सॉल्ट की एजेंसी है. Now what happens? It is rainy season and there are 100 bags of Tata salt left. He will say, I will leave all those 100 bags on the terrace. I will go home and enjoy life. Tomorrow morning I will come and sell back that bags of salt. Is it possible for him in case it rains?
No, ma'am.
नहीं
No, ma'am,
भाई,
not
उसको तो वो तो सॉल्ट ही बेचता है, उसको तो उसको सेफली रखना पड़ेगा. सो टू प्रोड्यूस गुड्स एंड द प्रोक्योरमेंट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड टू कीप देम सेफ टिल इट इज सोल्ड आउट. सो द फर्स्ट स्टेप, बिजनेस इज एन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी. सेकेंड थिंग इज प्रोडक्शन एंड प्रोक्योरमेंट ऑफ गुड्स इज डन. थर्ड पॉइंट, sale or exchange of goods and services is done. Sale or exchange of goods and services is done. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
anything to ask from this point? Characteristic of business? Either you sell services or you sell goods, right? Sale and exchange of goods and services for money is what you called as business. Third point is clear to each one of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth point, when you say yes ma'am, you should mean it also. If you want me to repeat, I will repeat it 100 times for you. But if I ask you, you don't answer, then it will be a problem. Point number 4. Dealing in goods and services on a regular basis. Dealing in goods and services on a regular basis. Dealing, D-E-A-L-I-N-G. Dealing in goods and services on a regular basis. To do a business means you are doing that job on a regular basis. Suppose I come to school on 1st April and then I come on 3rd July and then I come on 5th September, then I come on 20th December and then I come on 5th January. Am I coming regularly?
No, ma'am.
No,
I am
ma'am.
coming as per my wish. जब मूड होगा तो चलते हैं. Will I get anything in return in behaving in this manner?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
It means the business activity has to be done on a which basis?
Regular.
Regular basis.
basis.
The moment you stop the regularity, the very day it will stop producing profits for you. Children, clear this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Dealing in goods and services on a regular basis. Business is a regular activity. Next, business apostrophe S. Business motive is profit earning. The main motive of the business is profit earning. So more or less first point and fifth point are the same. The explanation is the same. Point number 6. There is always risk factor involved. There is always a risk factor involved. It is possible that you will earn money. It is also possible that you will lose it. It is a possibility that you get the profits. It is also possible that you will incur losses. You know? So there is uncertainty. There is uncertainty in business. It is very unpredictable which way it will go. For example, these Oyo, Make My Trip, Trivago, they were doing extremely well. PVR, Fun Cinemas, Phoenix, they were doing exceptionally well. What happened during Corona? What happened during Corona period?
Ma'am, everything shut down.
Shut down. There is uncertainty in business. No PVR, no popcorns, nothing. So what they are incurring these days? A total zero in their income, right? So business is uncertain. And the last point is more or less the same. The element of risk is there. Quickly write down. Business is the activity. Business is the activity running on reward return basis. See. Running on reward and return basis. Can you see it now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Reward
ma'am.
and
Yes,
return
ma'am.
basis. Okay. So we will keep this till here only, children. Now listen, I will be sharing a few more pages with you. I hope all of you are good children and you have gone through the PDF which I have shared.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Did you go through it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now when you say no, I hope you mean it. And on the next turn, we are going to discuss the classification of business activities. Please children, make sure that you arrange your books by